Puppets frustrate us absolutely, swiftly. They exhaust our usefulness. This is the way the positive faculties of love work. Love makes us useless. Puppets, in light of last night's performance, I would say puppets never break or malfunction. They form new parts or perform new functions. What we call the breakdown of a puppet is just the puppet inventing a new thing to do. It's puppetry or puppet events that break or break down. And that's the goodness. This celebration of breakdown is the juice of puppetry.
So what did you do today?
Oh, you know, the usual. I've been sitting here all day.
What did the doctor say?
No one's come to visit.
I know this isn't true, but he doesn't remember, and suddenly you don't have anything to talk about except yourself, the weather, and the past. My dad's kindergarten photo shows him as one of 2 Japanese boys in a sea of Caucasian faces. Noguchi's kindergarten photo shows the opposite.
Don Chico was the pride of the town! Viva Don Chico! Viva! Viva Don Chico! Viva! Viva Don Chico! Viva!
I've learned to meet people where they are. And I don't expect you to know everything that I know or do everything that I do in the way that I do it. And I take that into my studio time with my students as well. You're not going to enter the precipice of this studio and all of a sudden become a 36-year-old black woman who's been dancing since she was 9 and raised by a Vietnam vet and a bank teller. You're not going to know that. That's in my body. That's in who I am. All that comes out with the way that I walk down the street.